All right, so for today, we're going to be figuring out how to get those images within those frames. So, all those wonderful promotional images that you see that have the laptops and the cell phones and all that, we're going to figure out how to do that today. So, we're going to go over to the left here where there's elements. And if you scroll down, there's going to be a frame section. Canva made this nice and easy for us to do. There's all the basic shapes. So, there's circle, that's a really common one. If you go down to devices, that's where you see all of the laptops and stuff. There's tons of options in there. So just for simplicity's sake today, we'll just pick a tablet. We'll pick a not laptop, a mobile device, and we'll just do another page here and we'll do a circle. But really, showing you the first one, that's really all you need to see, guys. So we're going to go over now to uploads, and hopefully you guys already have your stuff uploaded. I was doing stuff for my kids recently. But yeah, if you go into upload files, you can upload your file that you want to put in for your image. But for this, we'll just use, I guess, my most recent images. So yeah, Ice Age, some Bluey. So, I mean, obviously it's going to be your images and not these crazy ones, but ooh, that looks pretty rad. You can rotate it or not, rotate it. You can crop it. If you have plus, you can expand it. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do. So really that's all there is to it. There's so many cool frames that you can do, but those are my personal favorites that I love to use a lot in my business. So I hope that this served you. And if there's any Canva videos that you would like some more tips and tricks on, just let me know and I will happily respond in the comments and get started on those videos. All right, I hope this helped you guys. Have a good one.